Today I have a Somfy Garage remote. I'm going to program it. See, this is not working. Okay, I'm going to program it with the receiver. This is the Somfy receiver. So when you open the cover, there is a button. See this button, SW1, SW2, and there is one button, this red color. Okay, just press this red color button. When LED is on, press these two buttons together. Hold this mobile. Press both buttons together. Now press any button. This thing is not. Just press this two buttons first. When LED is on, press these two buttons together. I stuck it already. So as you see, when you press this button, red one, just keep on pressing like that. When LED is on, press the two buttons together, then press any button you want to program it. That's it. This is already programmed. I just this button. Okay, this button is not programmed. This one is programmed. So I'm going to program this one also. Press. When you press together two buttons, then press any button you want to program it. That's it. Now this also program, this also program. Thank you guys. This Somfy original remote.